Look at him go! Go, Roscoe! Eat that! Raspberries and carrots. Oh, I think he's chewing on a toothpick. Look at him, he's holding on with little hands. Oh, oh no, he sensed me and he let it go. Come back to it. I must videotape you. No. Oh, I think he took off a chunk of carrot. Yeah, and he's eating it. Yeah. Yeah, you like that? You like your little shish kebab thing? I made that for you. Took me like half an hour. No, not that much, but it took me a while. Come on, go back to it. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Eat them fresh fruits and veggies. Oh, let's chew on the stick instead. Go, Resco. Go. You eat that. Look at him. Mama, lá do que vidiš?
Няма ли си изда малинката? Свали я, пък не я яде.
Той се върне. The adventures of Resco eating fresh food. Say bye. Bye.